So good morning kids. Here are the basic geographical terms which we will learn today, and this class is for class 6th, 7th, 9th and 10th. We are going to learn about maps and globes. What do you mean by map and how will you define the term globe? See, a map is a scalar representation of a particular area on a piece of paper with the help of a particular scale. If you want to show an area, a large area on a piece of paper, how you are going to show it? Are you going to draw the whole area on the paper? It is not possible at all. So what we do, we use a scale. A scale is a calculation which can differ according to their ratios and proportions. That we will learn in the next class. So here the definition of map is the representation of a particular area on a piece of paper is known as map. So what is the difference between maps and globe? See, the map is a representation of a small area. It can be of a rural area, it can be of an urban area, it can be of a city, state or a country. But globe represent the earth. The representation of our earth on a you can say a circular paper, or you can say a circular piece of object which represent earth. As you know, as you have studied, the shape of our earth is geoid. Geoid is the term used for the shape of earth because our earth is not exactly spherical in shape. It is geoid. It is somewhat you can say tilted at a degree 23.5, I think 23.5 degree tilted, and it has a geoid shape. You can say that shape of an orange exactly. So map has different signs and symbols to show various things like roads, wells, you can say trees, jungles, a bridge. To show these things, map has signs and symbols. Like if you want to show a road, or you can you want to show a kacha road, how will you show that? If you want to show a river, how are you going to show a river? Have you seen a physical map? A physical map represents the natural characteristics of the area, like river, mountain, etc. A political map shows the man-made feature of the area, or the man-made boundaries of the area. So here we are going to see the symbols. What we will do, we will make a different PDF for that. So children, this you can see here, you can see some signs and symbols. It is just an example. We are going to prepare a separate PDF for that, and we are going to send you. The sign of temple, church, police station, post office, a railway track, a pakka road and a kacha road. So we are going to make a separate PDF for the signs and symbol, and we are going to send it. You have to copy it down in your notebook, and you will have to send it to us for correction. So today we have learned maps, signs and symbols, and what do you mean by globe. In the next class we are going to read about the imaginary line which is drawn upon the globe, that are known as latitude, longitude and equator. So we are going to see it in the next class, and for today, thank you.